Hey guys, Saul here at Extreme. We just finished another vehicle, 2025 Raptor. Hey guys, Saul here at Extreme. We just finished another project, 2025 Ford Raptor that we did PPF ceramic coating and window tint. He went with our level 2 paint protection film, which is full front, fenders, lights, bumper, mirrors. We actually took it a little bit extra on this one. We did the pillars and the roof line as well. Then after that, what we did is we paint correct the whole vehicle. We ceramic coated with our level 2, which is our C.Quartz Professional, to the body. We did the faces of the wheels. We did the actual windshield. Topped it out with 2 front windows. He went with our Pinnacle. We did 15% for the 2 front windows. We added 50 to the back to make it 15, so everything matches really nice. If you like the look of this vehicle and you just picked up a new vehicle, give us a call.
Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. Yeah, I'm a diamond, I look like money, baby. Yeah, you can catch me where it's sunny, baby.
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Yeah, if you talking that, you better run it, baby. Yeah, all my haters, they want a piece of me, baby. But I never give them this, I just go and cop that. Anything that I rock, they be asking me, where'd you get that? Passing 5 checks, cause I'm a vibe, yes. I'm so fly, I got them so pressed, yeah. Face card killing, aesthetically pleasing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes, really. Peep the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. I be winning, I be chilling in my robe, I make it killing, cutting deals like a boss.
Right here on the right, we have the patterns already all cut out. We got the fenders, we got the lights, we got the bumper. We're actually gonna do the pillars as well, and then the actual mirrors itself. So check it out.
I am that girl, yeah, styling on a purr, yeah, diamonds in the fur, yeah, I am really her. Face card killing, aesthetically pleasing. Watch the fit, I be killing hoes, really. Peep the acrylics, I'm shining, I'm beaming. Any given day, I be starting on you bitches. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. Ay, you know I got that wow, yeah, I got that pow. Ay, I got that $1 million smile. Ay, smile.
All right, so now that we're doing the actual application, a couple things is going on right now. So you got Danny lining up, up on the top, essentially lining up the edges. On this one, we're gonna wrap around this area for sure. He's gonna wrap around this area, so it has a relief cut, but all this is gonna get nice and protected in there. All that is gonna be really nice. But as you see in the film, it's essentially the pattern actually is made to be able to stretch the film into place. That way we get all these fingers out.
Wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow. Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma.
So this is a good example how we're stretching the film enough to pretty much get the corner and then try to wrap as much as we can. So of course this piece is already installed, so you can't really see it on the video, but this is a good example. So all this area right here is gonna get tucked in, it's gonna get wrapped in, all this, right? And as you can see, right in here, it has what we call a little notches. So when we go around and lets the film go right in there. So all that is to the edge, wrapped around the door. It already has a cutout for this. It's nice and tight. It looks really nice. It looks really nice in here too. So you can't even see the actual film itself. And that's the whole thing behind PPF, right? To protect the vehicle without seeing what the film actually looks like.
Wake me up. Wake me up, wake me up.